This is questions 1 and 7 in exercise 16.5 in Project Maths 1. If €1 is equal to $1.50, we've defined the value of €100 in dollars and $180 in euro. Now, whenever we're doing currency exchange like this, where we're exchanging a certain amount of one currency for another type, what we need to do is we need to first of all write our exchange rate in such a way that puts the amount we're looking for to the right of our equals, and on the left of our equals, the amount we're starting with, and just a single unit of it, which is exactly what we've been given in the question. So we have a single unit of euro is equal to $1.50, and for our part 1, we're looking for dollars. So it's actually written out exactly how we wanted to start with. So we've got €1 is equal to $1.50. But we're looking for $100. So we're going to multiply by 100. And we will get €100. And we then multiply $1.50 by 100. Like this. In which case we will find out that €100 is equal to $150, like that. So that was part 1. There was nothing too difficult in that particular one. For part 2, it's a little bit different though. For part 2 of this, we're starting off with $180 and we need to transfer it over to euro. And our exchange rate isn't very friendly for that. So we're going to swap it around this time. Since we're looking for euro, we're going to put the euro to the right. So to the left, we're going to have $1.50. And that's going to be equal to €1. But we want to have what is $1 equal to. So if we divide both sides by 150, we get $1 is equal to 1 divided by 1.5. Now if we simplify that fraction out, that's just 2/3, which is not a very neat decimal. So we can actually just leave it as is, leave it as this fraction. So we have $1 is equal to 1 over 1.5 euro. And since we're looking for $180, we're going to multiply both sides now by 180. So we get $180, and that's equal to 1 over 150 multiplied by 180, which means $180 is going to be equal to 120 euro, like that. So that's question 1 done out, where we've done an exchange rate, where we've been given the euro to dollar, and we've worked out a euro transaction to dollars and a dollar transaction to euros. But let's take a look at a situation where we aren't given the exchange rate. We're asked to figure out the exchange rate. So what we've got in each of these is we've got to calculate the exchange rate for €1 in each case given the following transactions. So in transaction number 1, somebody exchanged €80 and they got $112 US. But we want to find out how much what the transaction was for €1 over. So if we divide both sides by 80, we get €1 is equal to, and then our dollar amount is going to be 112 divided by 80, which means we get €1 is equal to $1.40, like that. We're going to follow the exact same process for part 2, where we have €75 is equal to 165 Canadian. But we want to find out how much €1 is worth. So we divide both sides by 75. So we get €1 is equal to, and then the dollars is going to be 165 divided by 75, which means that €1 is going to be equal to $2.20 Canadian. And that is that.